In the modern HVAC and refrigeration industry, ice ball thermal storage systems stand out for their efficient cold storage and heat exchange. But how do they really work? These systems rely on tanks filled with high-density polyolefin ice balls, which hold a solution with high solidification-melting latent heat for effective phase change cold storage. What makes them unique? Coolants flow through gaps between the balls, not confined to pipes, to maximize heat exchange area, far more efficient than traditional brine or evaporator coil methods. Yet, traditional ethylene glycol coolants, once the go-to choice for their low viscosity and high specific heat, bring long-term headaches, severe corrosion that drags down system efficiency and coats ice balls in rust.